Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And so in this video I am coming to you with my PURfect selfie giveaway. And so I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and let you know who won that. So I just wanted to say that I really appreciate everybody putting in for that giveaway, and I have went on the random comment picker and selected my winner. And before I show you who won, I wanted to show you this. So guys, I don't know if you realize that I was still subscribed to the Tribe Beauty Box, and so this is my very last Tribe Beauty Box. And what is in here for this month is we got several things in here. We got a Wondrous Wondrous Fling eyeshadow palette. We got a Iconic Beauty blur stick. So this is kind of like the Milk Makeup blur stick. We got this. We got a Earth Harbor Luna Lay Phyto Resurfacing Serum. So that's in here. We got a Pretty Smart lip gloss in the shade Zap. It's a pretty lip gloss. We got Sear Loom by Babe Lash, which is a lash serum. And then we got two Luxie brushes, and you know, they look like this. One's like a blending brush and one's like a little detail brush. So that's what came in this month's Tribe Beauty Box, or beauty bag, or whatever, and then this little makeup bag. If you want to win this entire Tribe Beauty Box, then all you have to do is just put in the keyword for the random comment picker, and this is going to be a let's see, this will be a oh my goodness, I wish Jess was here. Do we have any other do we have any other giveaways going on right now with Jess? Do I have any more with Jess? This giveaway will end on Saturday, and I will draw for my winner on Sunday. And so let's just make the comment tribe for the Dynamic Duo Tribe. How about that? And so, yeah, if you want to win this, just put in the word for the random comment picker will be tribe. So it's a whole tribe bag. It's of goodies. And if you're interested in this, this will be just a little fast giveaway, and I will let, so it will end at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, this coming Saturday, which will be, that will be on Saturday, February the 22nd, and I will post the winning video on Sunday, February the 23rd, okay? And let me state my disclaimer that this is my giveaway. It's not associated with YouTube in any way, shape, form, or fashion. And what are the rules? You have to be 18, you need a U.S. shipping address, and let's see, you have to like the video or rate the video, thumbs it up, thumbs it down, don't care which one. Let's see, leave the comment down below that with the word something, blah, 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 whatever you want, tribe. Just be sure that it says the word tribe. And you have to be subscribed to my channel. Your notifications need to be turned on so that I can check to be sure that you're subscribed to my channel. just the same rules as before, and they will be in the description box below. And I love you, love you, love you so much. And so who is the winner of the PURfect Selfie? Well, let's go to the video. Okay, I've got everything in, and we are about to get started and see who the winner is. Oh my goodness. So the winner is Miss Faye Blatcher. Okay, so I definitely know that she is subscribed to my channel because it shows up on my my YouTube, what is that called? But it shows up because she is a fellow creator. So it shows up on my YouTube studio that she's subscribed to my channel. So I don't have to go and look her up because it shows up as recent channels that subscribe to my channel, and it shows up that she is subscribed to my channel. So Faye, you are my winner, girl. So congrats to you, Faye. I'm so glad that you won. Okay, oh my goodness, Faye! Faye, how about that? I am so happy for you. And Faye has a channel, so everybody go over there and give her some love and hook her up with some more subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed to Faye, go over and give her some love. Well, we love Faye. And thank you so much, Faye, for subscribing to my channel, supporting my channel, and I love you so much, girl. And I will get this shipped out. If you will contact me right across the screen at getthisglowing@gmail.com, and I look forward to hearing from you within 48 hours. And I appreciate you so much, Miss Faye. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Mwah! And thank you to everyone who put in for this. And don't forget, if you want the contents in my very last tribe subscription box, then just leave the code word tribe down below. And I will see you on the flip side on Sunday with a winner for that. Love you guys so much, and thank you to everybody for supporting this channel and for entering on the dynamic duo giveaways. And as Jess said in her video, we will be posting the very good giveaway very, very soon, and we love you so much. We love doing these giveaways together, and we have got a lot more exciting giveaways too coming your way, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye bye for now.